Hello. Today we want to talk a little bit about the optical surface measurement technology. While Mahr has mobile, tactile, and optical solutions in the portfolio, today our focus is to get really a little bit a better understanding of the optical surface technologies. And for this here, I have Mark with me. Mark is an expert in this area. So perhaps you can give us a little bit of an insight. What are the technologies that we are offering for surface measurement?
Sure. So Mahr has, as you already said, a very broad range of products available. From a technology point of view, we're using white light interferometry, which is pretty much the most accurate technology we can use. We have confocal microscopes. We also have chromatic confocal point and line sensors. So there's a pretty big range, and also a combination of those we can use for multi-sensor systems.
And that makes it sometimes complicated, of course, for our customer. Can you give us some words per technology? What is so specific about it?
Of course. It can be a challenge to find the right technology for the application, of course. There's a lot of factors that need to be considered. But basically, if you look into white light, it is, as I already said, the most accurate technology. So if you're going into sub-nanometer range of step heights and roughnesses, super polished finishes on lenses and mirrors and such things, that's the range where you really want a white light interferometry. If you look to confocal microscopy, this is more or less we always say an all-rounder for surface metrology, because it really ranges down to fine roughnesses, but it also manages rougher surfaces, microgeometry, all that kind of things. The confocal point and line sensors are very, very fast, really. Less accurate, of course, compared to the other two, but do deliver great data for contour measurements or big aerial measurements with a slightly lower resolution, of course.
And still, for a customer, it's a little bit tricky to find the right solutions, because you don't have always the let's say extreme solution, like I said, super polished. It is sometimes a little bit in the gray area. So how does the customer really find the perfect product for his, let's say, work pieces, which may also differ?
The probably easiest way for the customer is just to approach us as Mahr. We have a team of very, very experienced people working just on surfaces and metrology. So it's our job really to recommend the best fit technology or a combination of technologies for the one or multiple applications the customer has.
So basically, I contact you and I explain a little bit. Perhaps I send a drawing, or I send the specific challenge, or I would explain what typically we produce as a manufacturer, and based on this, I get a recommendation.
As usual with any inquiry to Mahr, we'll of course check all the facts we have, and we'll see if we can how good we can match our technology and the solutions we have in-house to the problem our customer has. This may result in a specific solution, which is you'll probably want to buy a MarSurf CM Explorer or mobile, whatever it is. It may also result in a solution we don't really have in-house already. So we do offer custom solutions in terms of, in that case, we will pick components from our platforms and construct or engineer a solution for the customer.
Okay, if I understood correctly, so if the standard is not sufficient,
Yes.
for example, due to efficiency reasons, or I need to get to a specific measurement point on the workpiece, then we can create fixtures, etc. We can work on the software. Then we give him a custom solution.
Exactly.
Okay. What I also learned is, well, first of all, I think that is a big benefit for a customer, that we have a full portfolio. We are not pushing them in one direction because we only have that one product, but we give him a really, let's say, objective recommendation. One point I really liked about is that we also have one software for all products. So even if he's shifting from one product to the other.
Exactly. It's for the customers, there's no change. Even in our multi-sensor systems, it's the same software platform as for the standalone devices. And he'll just swap from one sensor to another with no effort, really.
Okay. Well, thanks. So we got a little bit of understanding of the
Very welcome.
technology and the portfolio. And I think the best way is to get in touch with
Again,
you and your
just
colleagues.
approach us and challenge us.
Thank you.
Very welcome.